Remember the guava ice cream which we used to have in college days? The one with chili powder on top? Well, that nostalgic flavor became an identity of legendary ice cream brand Apsara. So, Apsara was a family business of Kiran Shah, the founder of Go Zero, the guilt free ice cream brand. Yes, the same brand which came in Shark Tank 5 months ago, and today the founder has almost doubled the money of Shark Aman Gupta in just 5 months. Here is how. The founder noticed that brands like Naturals have clear hero products like Sitafal and Tender Coconut. So he chose Guava as a hero product for their brand Apsara ice creams, which means he clearly understood how to build a strong brand identity. He applied the same thing in Go Zero, and in case of Go Zero, he made Mango Duet and Raspberry Duet as his hero products. Here is another interesting thing about the founder. Mostly, ice cream business is an offline store business, but he completely turned it into a digital business. He launched an exclusive ice cream bar on Zepto, and boom, most of the sales came from this product. A perfect use of quick commerce wave. One more interesting thing which I learned from this founder was how beautifully he applied the 4 P's of marketing. First one was product. The product should always be a conversation starter. In case of Apsara ice creams, it was the Pani Puri flavored ice cream or it was the guava flavored ice cream. In case of Go Zero, it was the zero sugar and healthy ice creams. Second P is pricing. The pricing should always be in the range of your competitor, and if you are starting, then it should be slightly cheaper than that of your competitor. Third P was place. In case of Apsara, the founder started Apsara stores exactly next to natural stores, and in case of Go Zero, he started it on online marketplaces like Zepto and Swiggy Instamart. Fourth P is promotion. In case of Apsara, it was offline promotion, and in case of Go Zero, it was totally a digital promotion on digital marketplaces. Found it interesting? Share it with your friends and follow for more.